Welcome to Pocket Women, Lockpicking and Lock Sport. What you are looking at are two very old locks on an external fence at an old ruined homestead up here in the Mount Lofty Ranges. The area is known as Arthur's Seat. The ruin is known as something else. I'll leave information in the description about the ruin that I'm at, so if you'd like to know anything more you can check it out. And what we're looking at here, this is a Boyd 55 series. I've never heard of it before. It looks like it is a 245 Lockwood clone. It doesn't have anything on the back. Oh yes it does. Boyd 555 series, and this is a Lockwood 234. This one has seized up and this one's rusted in. Don't know if it's seized up. Give you a little look at the ruin. I want to show you we are under the old TV towers are no longer functioning, and that dot there is the full moon, the super full moon, which is on tonight. Means that the moon is the closest to the earth. Where we are is up in the Mount Lofty Ranges. Down there, sparkly lights, that's Adelaide. So I just want to take you around the ruin a little bit. I will try and come back during the day, get you some good pictures. I'm here on a tour, a night tour, as you do. That's the hallway down there. This is a beautiful bay window. Pretty well constructed. The external walls are pretty well standing. The internal walls are as well. More of Adelaide sparkly down there. So that's all I've got to show you for the moment. We will be coming back to check this out in the daytime. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.